think I met you first at one of the conferences, and I was quite intrigued by the system as being new, and with the presentation of the traces and the reports, it looked like a perfect combination of existing systems. We are using the system for a few years. I think this is a perfect combination of flexibility and of practicability. So what we usually need in a research lab is a lot of flexibility, putting in new sensors and new devices and testing things. But for clinical needs, one wants to have everything simple and robust. So this system is a good combination of both. Definitely I recommend the products to colleagues in sleep medicine.